Okay, guys, sorry for that. My mom called me and I had to quit everything and then take the call. So I'm very, very, very sorry for that. I'm very sorry for that. So let's take the pen tool, draw this line, make selection, and yeah. So with this side tool, let's bucket it up, and we have something like this. So at the end of the day, this is what you're gonna do, you're gonna get. So let's quickly go in for the magic one too, and let's bucket this side up with that. Yeah, and let's bucket here up with that too. And I think I just have to you know okay, so with this section, I like to leave it for it to be somehow white, anything like this. So after I'm done, I'll just have to you know um take this off, or you can just say that you can use something like this. You see, the blending mode can use something like this depending on the blending mode. And you can work along with the blending mode. You can use hard or linear or anything like that depending on what suits you, right? So I would like to use this soft lighting. Then I believe this is awesome. So I really love this, and that is gonna give me a kind of look which is very, very beautiful, and I love it. All right, so yeah, that is what I have so far. That is what I've done so far, and I really love it. So what you need to do is let's just turn the color off. And with these guys, they are very simple. You can just go in for let's create let's call this background. Let's remove this for now. Yeah, then let's go here. Oh, come on, one more thing, sorry for that. Sorry. Let's select the the drawing. Think we have to add the mustache or whatever it is. So let's go in for the brush. The brush, you go to window, brush, and you will get all these guys, and that is awesome. So I'll just go in for this guy here, and I would like to choose the color for it to be black. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'll just have to select the spherical, right? And then I invert it, so whatever I do is gonna be on the spherical, right? So undo that. So let's just take the brush down, and I'll just do it this way. You see, so I'll just do it this way. Yeah, so there you go. That is the eyebrows. Good. So this is it, and I think I have it to be this way, and that is very nice, right? So now let's go to the mustache, and for the mustache we have to take it down like that. So we just have to make sure you have this selected. Going for the brush tool, let's take it down and let's do the mustache. Oh, come on, guys. Oh, come on. So let's see. Let's see the brushes. I think we will be getting some brush which is quite neat. Let's use this. Good. Now let's take down, and let's see here. Oh, so I think we should work along with the brush because I don't know what brush to use. Okay, let's use this brush and see. Good. So with this brush we just have to just do it this way. Just All right, so guys, I don't know. I don't know how to do this, but I think you'll get it. Don't worry, you'll get everything done. So for the mustache, I think we should rather create a new layer for that. Let's call this mask, right? Then let's do it something like this. You see, so let's zoom in, take it like that, right? Or something like that. Good. And then we come here, just do it this way. All right, so let's see something here. I think we have to work along a little bit about this guy. Okay, let's do some tracing here. Let's use the darken this guy first, and let's zoom in, and let's see something here. So that means we have to get this right. Then we just do this way for the mustache. Okay, then I think this is quite good enough. You know, as a beginner, it's very good for you to you know, get this done like that. So I just have to leave it to be is it the linear or the hard? I think, is it the hard? Let's take it back and see what we've done so far. I think it's not the hard, it is which one did I choose anyway? Okay, this one, soft light. So with this, let's see the mustache. And I think the mustache we have to use maybe yeah, this kind of cool. Can use this, and we can then extend it because we have the right to do whatever we want to do. So with this, I'll just extend it like that. Good. And boom, there you go. See, so that is iSoft for you. And you know, so far so good. This is awesome. So let's go to the background. This is the background, as you can see from here. That is the background. So with the background, I would like to color on the background. Look at this. See that there is white guy here, right? So I'll just zoom in. See that the background, you see, and everywhere. That is it. So this is it. We have to save this, but before we save this, I'll save this as save as. So just go to save as, then I'm just going to call this drawing, and that is going to be .jpeg, right? JPEG, and that is going to give me you know, a white background. So when I go inside my folder, you'll see that I have this guy here. So I have to just drag and drop this guy here, and let me get rid of this. And with this, let's save this guy. And with this, we have to go in for the eraser tool, magic eraser. Then let's erase the background. Yeah, so let's create a new background by creating a new layer. Let's call this background, right? So with the background, let's drop the background down. Let's go in for this you know, gradient tool. So with this gradient tool, I would like to choose you know, a color like this, and at the end of this, I'll choose a color like this, like a gradient color like that, right? So I'll just have to draw the line like that, or I'll just have to draw a line like this, right? So that is it. After I'm done with this, I'll just select this guy, go to effects, and I'm just gonna drop some outer glow, right? Or I can decide to choose the outer glow color to be black, and that is going to be awesome depending on whatever you want to do, right? So I would like to choose a white color, and the size of it, I would like to, increase the size a little bit, and the spread too, you can decide to do it this way, and that is awesome. And with this, I'll just drop this guy here, and I like to write my name, which is let's say art by, you see. So art by, I just wrote a text, just a normal text, art by. So I just add it here, and I just have to go into the text and then pick up any font style my heart desires, depending on what you want to do, guys. A minute. All right, guys, sorry for that. So add by, so I just have to choose the text color to be white. So I'll just scroll down and then try to see if I can get a reasonable fonts. I think I have some fonts. Okay, so this font is good, so I just have to drop a shadow of it, and this shadow is going to be black, something like that. Good. And yeah, so I just have to work with a shadow, or the outer glow, sorry. So the outer glow, I just have to work with a size. This is good. So add by, then I just add this like Ike Soft Original. Good. So this is it. I love it. Right, so I just have to do it this way. You can just decide to choose the the artwork anyhow you want to do it, and you can even turn out the stroke to be white, depending on how you want to do that, and that is going to be awesome, right? See, so I would like to choose black for now, and I would like to add a stroke to this, and that stroke is gonna be the size of the stroke is 13, so I'm just going to choose 5, and that is going to be add by, and I love it. So this Icesoft Original is going to abide by the same effect. So I'll just copy the layer and then just paste the layer. Good. And I'm just gonna choose the red color, and that is awesome. Good, something like this. So this add by, I can just squeeze it down, or I can simply choose an Arial. Let's choose Arial. It doesn't have anything to do with that. So let's okay, so something like this. Then we're just gonna say that add by, Icesoft Original, then maybe you can decide to add up your contact or your business contact, anything like that, and that is going to be awesome. So you just add your business contact, something like that. If you want to market it out there, you just have to add your business contact, and that is absolutely perfect, right? So this is how we do it, and that is awesome indeed. In fact, you can lock the background and you can reposition all these stuffs, and they are going to be awesome and nice, right? Good. So yeah, you can decide to put it anywhere. So I think I have to add up my logo here, right? Just like that. just like that, right? Then you drop the shadow or outer glow, and that is awesome. So you have this, boom, you are done. So guys, that is how I came all about to build this awesome project. My name still remains Isoft Original, and this is the graphic designing episode we were working on. Until we meet again on our next lesson, have a nice day, and Isoft the Original is out.